science is the science of making and preserving food. The reason bread is so light and fluffy is because of yeast. Tiny organisms called yeast feed on the sugars in your bread dough and turn them into carbon dioxide gas. These bubbles of carbon dioxide become the holes in your bread and make it light and fluffy. To watch yeast in action, we will need a small plastic water bottle, a funnel, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of baking yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 balloon. Add the water, yeast, and sugar to the plastic bottle. Attach the balloon to the mouth of the bottle. Swirl the bottle or shake slightly, but be careful not to spill. Set your bottle in a warm place and check on it in 20 minutes. The yeast have produced enough gas to start inflating the balloon. Now try making the yeast balloon using different amounts of sugar or yeast. How does this affect the balloon? What about putting the bottle in a cool place instead of a warm one?